So, hello, mans. Here we will talk about Indus Valley Civilization, the 4500 before civilization. We will talk in a video. So, are you excited about reading this? I don't know you are excited or not, but I will start. So let's start. Indus Valley Civilization, called also Harappan Civilization. The time period of it is 2500 to 1750 BCE, before Common Era. You can listen. It is also known as Bronze Age. Why it is called Bronze Age? Because copper plus tin is equal to bronze. Then named by John Marshall, Director of Archaeological Survey of India. Then first chairman of Archaeological Survey of India is Alexander Cunningham. That's called also father of Indian archaeology. Harappa was the first site to be discovered in Indus Valley Civilization in 1921 by Dayaram Sahani, while Mohenjo-daro was discovered in 1922 by Rakhal Das Banerjee. So first of all, John Marshall. Who is John Marshall? He is the director of Archaeological Survey of India, and Alexander Cunningham is the father of Indian Archaeological Survey of India. And 1921 first discovered Harappa by Dayaram Sahani. Then 1922 discovered Mohenjo-daro by Rakhal Das Banerjee. Then geographical region. So eastern part is Alamgirpur, Uttar Pradesh. Western part is Sud Dor, Pakistan. Northern part is Manda, Kashmir, and southern part is Demabad, your Maharashtra. Maharashtra region. Okay, the Cholistan region in present-day Pakistan was once a thriving part of the Indus Valley civilization. There is a region Cholistan that's a part of a Indus Valley civilization. Okay, then agriculture, major crops like wheat, barley, cotton, lentils, chickpeas, sesame, millets, rice, and garlic. This is the part of agriculture, and cotton, one of the distinguishing feature of Indus Valley civilization. Okay, Greeks use the name Sindon for cotton. Sindon for cotton. On and on. You can remember, my friend. Agriculture technologies. Okay. Pollard field found at Kalibanga. What is the meaning of pollard field? जुता हुआ खेत मिला हुआ था कालीबंगा में मेरे friend. And two sets of furrow were found at right angles, suggesting two different crops were grown together. Okay, there is a one field and there is growing two kind of crops like rice and wheat, like lentil and chickpea, this kind of thing, my friend. Okay, oxen were used for plowing, and terracotta model of polo found in Cholistan and Banawali. Okay, next, animal domestication. So cattle like sheep, goat, buffalo, pig, bull, oxen were domesticated. Okay, and bones of boar, gharial, deer, fish, and fowl was found, which indicates about their domestication. Not evidence of horse and cow are not found. Evidence of horse and cow are not found. The most important thing that is not found in Indus Valley civilization. देखो भाई, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता है, इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन में ना घोड़ा था, ना गाय था, ना आयरन था, सिर्फ ब्रॉन्ज था। बट दोस्त, मेरे को लगता है कि आज से ज़्यादा सिविलाइज था वहाँ का। जो रोड देखोगे, ड्रेनेज सिस्टम देखोगे, टाउन प्लानिंग देखोगे, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन देखोगे, एग्रीकल्चर देखोगे, जिस तरीके से डेवलप करना चाहिए था हम लोग, उस तरीके से हम लोग डेवलप नहीं हुए हैं। ठीक है ना। अब आगे बढ़ते हैं। टाउन प्लानिंग। द मोस्ट यूनिक फीचर ऑफ हड़प्पा civilization was development of urban center. They used burnt bricks for agriculture purpose. Bricks of industrialized ratio were used. Water reservoir, Dholavira. Okay. Town planning. There is two part of town planning. First, citadel, acropolis, and lower town. Citadel, lower, smaller but higher town. It was walled, physically separated. Special public purpose. Lower town, large but lower town. It was also walled, fortified, meant for residential buildings. So there are two type of building for citadel. This is small but very important, and lower town is very big but less important. And citadel used for public purposes, important works, and lower town for residential purposes. Okay. And not Dholavira was divided into three parts. Chandudharo, Chandudharo had no citadel. Chandudharo had no citadel. The citadel within Lothal was not surrounded by a fortification, but instead was built on raised mud bricks platform. Lothal was not. Okay, what will I tell? Fortification. There is no fortification in Lothal. 12 meter into 7 meter into 2.4 meter. There is a great bath, and the length is 12 meter, and breadth is 7 meter, and the height is 2.4 meter. That's a ritual purpose. Citadel, fortification, lower town plan of Mohenjo-daro. Then we will talk about Great Bath at Mohenjo-daro. It is a rectangle-shaped tank-like structure which might have been used for ritual bathing. Then gypsum-based mortar has been used for waterproofing. Gypsum and mortar. Oh my God, amazing. Okay, we will talk about Great Granary. So it is the largest building in Mohenjo-daro, Great Granary, and it was used for storage of grains. Then brick granary of Harappa, 6 granaries in each row, 2 rows, 12 granaries found in Harappa, grid pattern. Row cut each other at 90 degree. Drainage system. Most distinctive feature of Harappa civilization, grid pattern roads, street intersecting at right angle. Example Lothal. That's intersecting at 90 degree, my friend. Then domestic architecture. The Indus Valley civilization was known for its advanced urban planning and well-structured house. The houses were made of burnt bricks, baked bricks. Doors were made of wood. Every house had its own bathroom. Sump or cesspit were made between drains to clean and trap solid waste. Then limestone slabs were used as drain covers. Many houses had their own private wells. Okay, now we will talk about tracking social differences, studying burials. So some of the graves contain pottery and ornaments as believed that it can be used in afterlife. Second, jewelries were found in burial of both men and women. Third, dead were buried with copper mirrors. Fourth, burial of dogs along with their masters. Okay, then there is not section. Ornaments consisting of 3 shells rings, a jasper bead, and hundred of micro beads was found near the skull of a male at Harappa. Then there is a picture: coffin burial executed in Harappa. Again picture: Harappa burials with ornaments and pottery. फिर picture: urn burial. फिर picture: double joint burial executed from Lothal. Then we will talk about craft production. Chandu Dharo, devoted to craft production including bed making, sail cutting, metal working, seal making and weight making. Nageshwar, Gujarat. Balakot, Pakistan. They were centers for sail making, bangles, leaders and inlay. Okay, then we will move ahead. Ornaments from Indus Valley civilization, tied stone. Okay, trade and commerce. Nageshwar and Balakot is for sale. Sartughai for lapus lazuli. South Rajasthan and North Gujarat is for carnelian. Khetri and Oman for steatite, soft stone. South India for copper and gold. And Kolar Karnataka is for gold. You can see carnelian, orange stone and lapis lazuli, blue stones. Mesopotamia civilization around Tigris and Euphrates river. Then we will talk about Harappan seals. Okay, Harappan seals were made of steatite, a kind of soft stone. Seals often contained animal motifs and a pictographic script. The seals usually have a line of writing, probably containing the name and title of the owner. The Harappa were not aware about lion. You can see scripts. Now we will talk about scripts, my friend. So the scripts are not in alphabetical order and are a pictographic. Most inscriptions are short and the longest script contain about 26 signs. They were written from right to left. Read script was known as Bushro-Phedon. Then they were found on jewelry, bone rods, seals, copper tools, jars and an ancient signboard. The scripts are undeciphered till date. Weights. Barter system was prominent in Indus Valley civilization. Exchange was regulated by a precise system of weights, usually made of a stone called chert. Sukur and Rohiri Hills limestone and chert blade are mass produced and sent to various Harappan settlements in Sindh. Lower denomination binary and higher denomination with decimal. Indus Valley people did not know about iron. इंडस पीपल के लोग ना ही हॉर्स के बारे में जानते थे। इंडस पीपल के लोग ना ही गाँव के बारे में जानते थे। इंडस वैली के पीपल ना आयरन के बारे में जानते थे। इंडस वैली के पीपल ना ही लाइन के बारे में जानते थे। किसके बारे में जानते थे? सिर्फ ब्रॉन्ज के बारे में पूछता हूँ मैं इंडस वैली से। Religious practice. They worshipped unusual or unfamiliar objects such as mother goddess, priest, king, etc. Fire altars were found at Kalibanga and Lothal. Were seen in multiple of 16. The weight were uniform. Terracotta figure of mother goddess symbolized a tree growing out of a embryo made of clay found in Mohenjo-daro. Priest king made of steatite obtained from Mohenjo-daro, height 17.5 cm. The dancing girl statue made of bronze in Tribhanga Mudra 10.5 centimeter. Linga, then Shiva in yogic posture, Pasupati seal, one-horned animal unicorn. Now, religious practice examining seals, unicorn, one-horned animals, lingas, conical stone object worshipped as a symbol of Shiva. Then Proto-Shiva seal, Pasupati, then pottery used. Archery color pottery, black red ware pottery, painted grey ware pottery. Possible reason of decline of Harappa civilization. First reason may be climate change, second deforestation, third excessive floods, fourth shifting or drying up of rivers, then foreign invasion. Okay. Oh my god, I am feeling so tired to record the video, my friend. I am not thinking that you are listening me. I am working hard for you and you are not listening me. This is not a good thing. You should listen me. Okay. Now move ahead. Size, river and characteristic. Harappa, 1921 by Dayaram Sahani in Punjab, Pakistan. River Ravi and 6 Grenadier Nero, Mohenjo-daro, 1920 by R.D. Banerjee. Indus, Great Bath, Great Granary, Proto-Shiva, Dancing Girl, Statue of Goddess, Earth, Bearded Man. Jandu-dhado in Sindh, Indus, city without citadel. Lothal in Gujarat, S.R. Rao, Bhogwa, ancient port, dockyard, fire altar, double burial. Kalibanga in Rajasthan, Ghaggar, fire altars, black Bengal, polo field. Rakhigadi in Haryana, Ghaggar, largest Indus Valley site, Rekha, terracotta wheels and toys. Dholavira in Kutch and Gujarat, giant water reservoir city, wide divided into 3 parts. Banawali in Haryana, Barley lack of grid pattern. Birana, oldest Indus Valley site. Okay, and Ropar in Punjab, Satluj, pit burial. Sonali, extended burial. क्या कहें दोस्त, जिस तरीके से आपको कुछ इंडस वैली में समझ नहीं आया, हमको भी कुछ समझ नहीं आया, तब पर वीडियो रिकॉर्ड किए हैं आपके लिए. ओके. तो दोस्त, इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन को अगर मैं अच्छे से समझाऊँ तो थोड़ा सा मेरे को टाइम दो, मैं समझाता हूँ आपको इंडस वैली अपने अकॉर्डिंग. ठीक है. तो दोस्त, आज से 4500 साल पहले एक इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन नाम का सिविलाइजेशन हुआ करता था. ठीक है ना. और हमारा नॉर्थ वेस्ट में सिविलाइज था. तो वहाँ पर क्या था, जैसे कि आपका हड़प्पा और मोहनजोदड़ो सबसे ज़्यादा प्रोमिनेंट साइट है. वहाँ पर ना जब मिट्टी को खोदा गया तो शहर पाया गया, और जब उसको और खोदा गया तो वहाँ पर बहुत सारा चीज़ देखा गया. वहाँ का एग्रीकल्चर, थोड़ा एग्रीकल्चर का साक्ष्य मिला, टाउन का साक्ष्य मिला, डोमेस्टिकेशन का साक्ष्य मिला. तो उससे हमको पता चलता है कि हमारा जो सिविलाइजेशन है कितना ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है. आज आप जो ये सब दिख रहे हो, 4500 साल पहले भी एग्जिट किया करता था. आप देख सकते हो अभी कितना खूबसूरत सनसेट हो रहा है. तो उन लोगों में कितना अंडरस्टैंडिंग होगा. कभी कभी मैं सोचता हूँ, देन आई विल बिकम वेरी कन्फ्यूज्ड एंड बिकम वेरी अमेज्ड. ओके. एंड हमारे हिस्ट्री में ऐसा बहुत सारा, जब आप अपने हिस्ट्री को पढ़ोगे, जब अपने हिस्ट्री को आप इन्जॉय करोगे, तो आपको पता चलेगा कि फ्रेंड कितना कुछ है जानने के लिए. तब पर भी मैन क्यों डिप्रेस्ड रहते हैं, क्यों मैन ओवर थिंकिंग करते हैं. जाओ, लर्न करो. ठीक है ना. और ख़ुद को एक्सप्लोर करो. दिस इज़ द पर्पज़ ऑफ आवर लाइफ. और इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन में आपको मैं एक चीज़ और टर्म बता देता हूँ कि जैसे कि वहाँ एक था आपका लोअर टाउन. तो आप इसको लोअर टाउन ट्रीट कर सकते हो, जो कि रेसिडेंटियल पार्ट्स के लिए था, मतलब जहाँ गरीब लोग रहा करते थे. और ये था सिटाडेल, जहाँ पर आपका अमीर आदमी रहा करते थे. तो जब आप इस तरीके से दोस्त हिस्ट्री को रिलेट करते हो, जब आप हिस्ट्री को डेली लाइफ से रिलेट करते हो, तो वहाँ से आपका है ना एक अलग ही प्रकार का पर्सपेक्टिव मिल जाता है दुनिया को देखने के लिए, दुनिया को जानने के लिए. और मैं आपसे थोड़ा सा कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ, दैट इज़ हमें पूरे हिस्ट्री को, चाहे आपका जो स्टोन एज है, इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन है, वैदिक एज है, महाजनपद है, मौर्य है, पोस्ट मौर्य है, गुप्ता है, पोस्ट गुप्ता है, संगम एज है, आपका चोला है, त्रिपाठी स्ट्रगल है. पूरे एंशिएंट इंडिया का मैं बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेलिस्ट बना कर देने वाला हूँ, साथ ही मेडिवल इंडिया का, साथ ही मॉडर्न इंडिया का. और मेरे को लगता है कि मेरे को लगता है मैं आपको उतना आउटपुट दूंगा, ज़रूर दूंगा, बिकॉज आई हैव नो, मेरे को जितना समझ पाता हूँ मैं आपको समझाने की कोशिश करता हूँ. दैट इज़ रियलिटी. एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच.